Hello students, so today we will discuss exercise 1.6 in which we will use this practical problems formulas. This NA union B means number of elements in A union B is equal to NA. NA means number of elements in A plus NB means number of elements in B minus NA intersection B means number of element in A intersection B. So this N denotes for number of elements. Okay, so these three formulas we will use to solve exercise 1.6, which I have already discussed in introduction session. Now question number 1 is, if X and Y are two sets that NX is given as 17, NY is given as 23 and NX union Y is given as 38. So we have to find NX intersection Y. So first in solution we will write what is given. So NX is given as 17, NY is given as 23 and NX union Y is given as 38. We have to find NX intersection Y. So we will use the first formula, as if we write X union Y is equal to NX plus NY minus X intersection Y. So transfer this side and this in that side. So this minus will give us positive sign and X intersection Y. Okay, now NX plus NY similarly, and this will go that side, so it will give negative sign. Now we will put the values. NX is 17, NY is 23 and X union Y is 38. So when we add this, we get 23 and 17, 40 minus 38. So what we get? 2. So our X intersection Y is 2. Like this we will solve the question. Let's see one more question. Question number 2. Question number 2 is, if X and Y are two sets, X union Y has 18 elements, X has 8 elements and Y has 15 elements. So how many elements does X intersection Y have? So similar question. So in this question it is given that X union Y is 18. Okay, means number of elements in X union Y is 18 and NX is given as 8 and NY is given as 15. Again we have to find X intersection Y. Okay, X intersection Y. So we have formula NX union Y is equal to NX plus NY minus NX intersection Y. So we have X union Y as 18, NX as 8 and NY as 15. So minus NX intersection Y. So transfer this term this side and 18 that side. So here NX intersection Y will be 8 plus 15, 23 and this 18 will be in minus. So what we get? 5. So X intersection Y is 5. Okay. Now let's see one more question. Question number 5th. Okay. If X and Y are two sets, X and Y are two sets, X has elements 40. Okay, and X union Y has 60 elements, and X intersection Y has 10 elements. Okay, so how many elements Y has? So it's asking Y. So it is given as NX is 40, NX union Y is 60, and NX intersection Y is 10. So we have formula NX union Y is equal to NX plus NY minus NX intersection Y. So X union Y is 60, NX is 40, NY we have to find, and this one is 10. So 40 minus 10 is 30, and 30 will come this side. So 60 minus 30 is equal to NY. So 30 is equal to NY. So our answer is NY. Okay, so like this we will solve the questions. Let's see one more question. Question number 8. Okay, question number 8. In a committee, 50 people speak French. Okay, 20 speak Spanish. Okay, and 10 speak both Spanish and French. Okay, so how many speak at least one of these two languages? Okay, so first of all, we have to let F be the set of people in the committee who speak French, and S be the set of people in the committee who speak Spanish. So which means NF, number of committee, number of people who speak French, NF is given as 50, and number of people speak Spanish is given as 20. And speak both means N Spanish intersection F, means both language 10 people speaks. So we have formula NS union F is equal to NF plus NS minus NS intersection F. Now we have to calculate S union F, because in question it is asking how many speak at least one of these two languages, मतलब एक इन दोनों में से कोई भी एक लैंग्वेज आती है. ओके, सो NF is given as 50, NS is given as 20, and intersection 20. So 70 minus 10 is 60. So we can write as thus 60 people in the committee speak at least one of the two languages. Okay, so this will be our answer. Let's see one more question, as it comes always in examinations. Okay, question number 6. In a group of 70 people, 37 like coffee, 52 like tea, and each person likes at least one of the two drinks. How many people like both coffee and tea? Coffee and tea, both coffee and tea means we have to find an intersection of coffee and tea, means number of elements of coffee intersection tea. So first of all, let C denotes the set of people who like coffee, and T denote the people who like tea. Okay, so N C union T is 70 because group of peoples are 70, total number of peoples are 70. So 37 like coffee means NC like coffee is 37, and NT, how many like tea? It's 52. Okay, and we have to find NC intersection T. Okay, so we have formula NC union T as NC plus NT minus NC intersection T. So NC union T is 70, NC is 37, NT is 52. So minus NC intersection T. So 70 is equal to 729 and 538 minus NC intersection T. Transfer this side, C intersection T will be in positive sign, and 89, and this will be in minus 70. So what we get? 90. Therefore, thus 19 people like both tea and coffee. So almost all types of questions I have discussed. The questions which are left, try to solve yourself. If you face any problem, you can ask. Only total number of questions in this exercise is 8 only. Okay, and all are based on same practical problems and formulas which we have seen here. These 3 formulas will only be used to solve the whole exercise. Okay, thank you.